guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to make the traditional Garo rice cakes called Sakin. It is made out of pounded rice and sesame seed. I'm not an expert, I'm just a rookie, and I'm gonna let my mother do the cooking today. The ingredients required for Sakin are 1 kg of rice that has been soaked in water overnight. You can make use of regular rice, or you can choose to mix glutinous rice with regular rice. Or you can purely make it with glutinous rice. 250 grams of sesame seed that has been roasted and pounded, and salt to taste. It is always advisable to hand pound the rice. If you do decide to make use of the mixer grinder, the heat of the mixer grinder will dry out the rice, and moisture content is very important to make this dish. If you have used the mixer grinder, sprinkle some water into the rice and mix it evenly, and don't forget to sieve it. And remember not to make it pasty. The next thing that you need to do is mix the salt to the sesame seed. I'm making use about 1 tablespoon of salt for about 250 grams of sesame seed. To make this dish, you need a traditional earthenware pot which has a hole at the bottom, but we don't have that, and my mom has improvised it with a karais. You will also require banana leaf and a fiber of a loofah that will stop the rice from falling through the hole. If you don't have a loofah, you can make of something that is similar to that is non-toxic. Some unpounded wet rice. Place it over that so that the powdered rice doesn't fall through. This whole apparatus is packed and ready. Now this will go on top of a vessel with water for steaming. We will tie a wet cloth around this area to avoid the steam from getting out. Make sure that the bottom vessel is not filled till the brim. We basically need the water for steaming, and if we fill it till the brim, then it might spill over towards the upper part where the cooking is happening. After you set it on the stove, it will take at least about 1 hour for it to cook. Looks like it's ready. I can see the steam coming out. Ooh. Let's see if it's cooked. Yes, it looks ready. You can enjoy your rice cakes with a cup of piping hot tea in the company of family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. And don't forget to subscribe.